If you've ever shared a file in Google Drive and then struggled to find it again, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to search for files you shared with a specific person in Google Drive, step by step. This is super useful when you need to check what you sent, find an old document, or clean up your drive without scrolling forever. And if you want more simple Google Drive tips like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by going to drive.google.com or by opening it from your Google apps if you already have it pinned. Once you're in Drive, look at the search bar at the top of the page. This is where most people start searching, but the real trick is using the filter options for a more precise result. Next, click the filter icon in the search bar. It usually looks like sliders or adjustment lines. When you click that, Google Drive opens a filter panel that gives you more advanced search options. This is the part that makes it much easier to find exactly the files you shared with one person. In the filter panel, look for the option labeled Shared To. This setting is what tells Google Drive to search for files that were shared with a specific person rather than just searching by file name. Click into that field and then enter the person's email address. Make sure you type the email address correctly because Google Drive uses that to narrow down the results. If you're not seeing the right files, double check the spelling or make sure you use the correct account email for that person. After entering the email address, click Search. Google Drive will now show you the list of files that you shared with that person. This can include documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, or any other file type that was shared through Drive. From there, you can open the file, make updates, remove sharing, or just confirm that the correct document was sent. If you want, you can also combine this with other filters later, like file type or date modified, to narrow down your results even more. But for most cases, using Shared To is the fastest way to find files shared with a specific person. And that's it. You now know how to search for files you shared with certain people in Google Drive using the built-in search filters. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a huge amount of time, especially if you collaborate with a lot of people. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Drive tips, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.